Be prepared, everybody, to the bottom of all bottoms for GameStop and AMC. Both of them nearly around the 10% down. GameStop broke the support after bad earnings. After that, we have AMC broke the most important support for this month in April. So this is kind of planned out, guys. The 1st of April and the price broke the $3.63 because we held it since before the earnings, beginning in February. We held over this support for 2 months and then we broke. So this is not an April Fool Day, guys. This is real and this is happening right now. In today's video, we have to discuss not the squeeze, but where the price will reverse, because it always happens. Even if the stock get diluted, get bankrupt, there is always a chance to find the support, to find the reversal, because we're gonna have a price value for AMC and GameStop, and we should capitalize on this opportunity. So let's dive deeper, guys. Hit the like button and the weigh-in, because we always go live each day, 30 minutes before the market open and 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open, of course, on Discord and Patreon. Today we hunted for mini stocks, and the day before or the week before we traded, of course, and let me just show you, Nicola hit our profit taking right on the market open, the $1.17, and the other stock that we hunted for today, it was CXAI. This one we already traded so many times, guys, and now is going over the $6.30. We're gonna discuss it in another video, because this one have, of course, we've got partnership with Google Cloud. That's why this one pumped big time, and that's why we entered and exited for this trade many times. The last profit that we took on this stock, it was around the almost the $6.10, because we spotted a bit of resistance over there. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss the game plan for AMC and GameStop. Again, I got many questions regarding which broker I'm using. So if you live in the United States, I prefer using Momo, because have a really generous offer here. As you can see, we have 7 free fractional shares. This is really good. And of course, we have 1.5 cash reward. This is a nice like a kickstart for any traders who want to start trading in the stock market. So the link in comment section below if you want to join Momo. So let's discuss GameStop and AMC. I know a lot of you asking, Jesus, we never gonna have a squeeze. Why you do this update? I do this update, guys, because we day trade. What does mean day trade? Is mean we see an opportunity for entry then exit. For GameStop, there is an opportunity to buy the dip. So if the price didn't squeeze up, we could buy for the reversal and squeeze from the bottom. We're going to discuss how this works and how we could capitalize on this trade later on. However, in the time being, I just want to clarify the air, because I feel a bit of anger is not directed at me, because when you're angry, guys, it's mean you're angry at yourself. But it's really hard to confront yourself. That's why you want to look for other person to blame. In this scenario is me. So it's not the problem is me, is you. So always go deeper in yourself and see why you're angry. Most often, 99% is not the person or the neighbor or your girlfriend. It's most often is you. So always go deeper and search for the main reason why you're angry. I will tell you why you're angry, because many traders bought AMC and GameStop because a lot of YouTubers pumping for those stocks and never say take your profit. They say diamond hand. We don't say diamond hand here, guys. We always take profit. We always exit. So why you get angry when the price goes down? Because you always make the decision. Every time you make the decision, when you put your money on the line, I'm not a financial advisor as well. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. If you lost money, don't get angry at anybody, even yourself. You don't have to be angry at yourself. You just accept it. However, in today's video, we have to not go back in time because we can't, if we have a time machine, of course, go back in time and short AMC and GameStop. But in the time being, we have to discuss what we should do from now for AMC and GameStop, because AMC, guys, broke the support. Why? Let me just show you exactly what happened in the big picture. We have a big seller just got in around the 35 after the news of reverse split. That's why they're smart. They didn't close their position. And they added again around the 11. And that's why we went down. And now they added again around the $3.63 for AMC. So of course, if you go back in time and short AMC here, oh man, you'd be up like almost 90% on this trade. Not even 90%. Let me just show you here. You'll be up almost 700%. And if you don't have leverage, if you put options, oh man, you make a lot of money just by shorting. So shorting is mean betting that the price will go down. It's in reverse. You don't have to complicate things, guys. Buying is mean you buy low and sell high. For shorting, you sell high, you buy it back low. So it's really simple to consider shorting, because a lot of you never shorted before. Instead, you go from down to up to make profit. For shorting, you go from up to down in order to make profit. So here, guys, the short sellers just added their position around the $3.60, and GameStop, they added their position once we broke the 1184. As we discussed before the earnings, guys, we did alert and we warned our hunters for a breakout here. We said if the price didn't break, is me, we're gonna go down. That's why they added around the 16, the price went down, and now confirmed that they added again around the 1184. So what we should do right now, we have to watch out for this dip, guys. This is by far the best dip that will ever happen for GameStop. So seize this opportunity. Again, this is not a financial advice, but just from the technical, guys, it looked really juicy because we've got a big buyer waiting here over the 880 and the $10 for GameStop. So GameStop, it looked better technically because there is some buyers coming in for GameStop. We don't have some kind of news about dilution and things like this, like AMC, but GameStop, there's a chance for a reversal over the $10.80 or the $10 and the $8.80. So once the price hit this box, this will be alert for me for opportunity for a reversal. Once we test this level, we need the same reaction that happened here. Let me just give you an example. Before the earnings, we have a big buyer over the 1180, and that's why we jumped how much? Let me just show you how much. 50%, man. 50%. This is a squeeze. 50% is too much, guys. 50% is really good gain in just 1 month. So here we might, or we expect another jump up for GameStop and going higher. So if we went here, we expect at least a reversal of 30% or maybe even 70% until the 15. But I prefer to take profit before the 11. If we went toward the $8, would be a really good exit and taking profit for GameStop. Now, for AMC, on the other hand, the support is not clear, but we have a psychological support is over the $1. Yes, this price will take some time to go there. Yes, because we're gonna have another 65% down. Will take a bit of time because we might go toward the first the $2, then the $1.05. So the $1.0 is the $1 is the psychological level that AMC might go to before a major reversal once again. However, in the time being, we have to watch out for the 11. If we don't break the 11, this is not good trade, or we never gonna have a squeeze. Yes, because the short added their position, the big position on the 11.13. Now we have to watch out for the 1 or around the 2, but it's not clear enough. That's why I said the 1, because it's a psychological level and there's a huge chance that we're gonna reverse before the $1 for AMC, and this will give us a huge bump. If we went around the $1, we might squeeze from below. See with me, 200% if we squeeze or we reverse from 100, we might test the $3 and then the $10 after that if we have something change fundamentally. So tomorrow we're gonna do update for AMC and GameStop, guys. So don't forget to tune in to guys on our Patreon and Discord. So thank you for watching and see you in the next update.